What's going on, everybody? This is Kedrick with Global XC Trade House. I just want to do a quick breakdown on XRP USD, BTC USD, what to expect, where they are going, and why they are pushing the way they are pushing. Okay, first day first, XRP USD is Ripple, BTC USD is Bitcoin. These are cryptocurrencies, so they're more like, instead of we have a physical dollar, we have like a digital currency that we can have money with, something on the new end, right? A lot of people trade crypto, but it's not as popular as Forex. But it definitely, if you understand the same skill set that you learn in trading wise and Forex, you definitely can understand crypto and how it moves basically the same way. All right, so what I have right here is basically the daily. Crypto don't really have that too much data on the higher time frames like the monthly. So the daily would definitely let me know what's going on. All right, so let's zoom out a little bit. Let's see where we at. All right, so you can see that back in 2018, XRP made a nice boom up until $3.50. Then it started retracing. In the traders world, that means like what goes up must comes down, right? Okay, ever since that momentum, the momentum has shifted to the downside. So we have been in a bears market for a tremendous while, going on almost 2 years now, right? You can see as these candles start getting little and littler, you can definitely see that huge consolidation of where price couldn't really make up his mind where it wanted to go. Throughout the 2 years, XRP been battling a lot of different things. The banks got behind it last year, so this should drive price up tremendously this year. But us as traders, we understand patience, and we understand that nothing moves fast like that overnight. It takes time, right? Me personally, I will personally like to see XRP as big as Bitcoin or even bigger. That's what they're projecting. So if you understand the value of the compounding in these situations, if you get in right now while it's low, and I'm not speaking trading wise, I'm speaking more like investing, going on Coinbase, Binance, different crypto exchanges to where you can buy the actual coins and just stack up on them, buy $100 worth, buy $1,000 worth. And right now it's sitting right at 28 cents, which is about to go tap that 30-cent mark. And I feel like once it hits this 30-cent mark, XRP will not come back down. All right, so let's look into the daily. All right, first thing first, I want to do is identify what's going on, identify the movements, why it's moving the way it's moving, and understanding the power of what is about to take place. All right, so even though I can go all the way to the left and break down everything over there, I want to stay as close as possible to where price is now. Reason why I want to do that, because crypto move a little different. It don't move based off what like the currency pairs do. It moves on its own. All right. So the more money that's invested in crypto, the more money that it'll move. If a big investor take a dump in crypto, which is mean they took out millions to probably billions of crypto and withdraw, that's where you see the dumps at, right? So you got nothing but buyers and sellers in this crypto world, just fluctuating price right now. So you can see right here, we had a crazy downtrend, all right? If you do from point A to point B, what I mean by that is just, simple trend line, right? From 1 to 2, right? Okay. Right. And this is one way to evaluate the market too, like just off your trend line. Once you see a break in your trend line, you understand that if it do not break this area down here, we starting a nice bullish momentum push to the top side. Okay. Me personally, I'm just gonna put this horizontal support here. All right, but I'm gonna do it off the wick this time. Okay, so you can see that it was on a nice little downtrend on the daily since November 7th, 2019. And now, since the beginning of the year, XRP has been on a nice bullish run, which us investors love and us traders love. All right, so how about break down now just to see what's going on, see if it's making any type of patterns. Let's see. I think I see something right over here, just something simple. Okay, price will come to it. That's normally how price works. Okay, so we have a nice uptrend now. Let's find our layers of support on this uptrend. Okay, what I like to say is correction areas, consolidation areas, areas that let us know that it's a valid uptrend and we don't see any type of signs of reversals right now. All right, so we have a nice little area of support here. Okay, we have another nice little area of support where it broke down and faked out, right, making it look like it's going to do it. So this is very valid area. You can see multiple rejections off this area, multiple rejections. All right, so you have nothing but wicks here, nothing but wicks. So it built this certain type of foundation right here to where you see once I line it up, okay, we'll understand why it did what it did. So like I tell my students and I tell everyone else that I teach is in consolidation mode, a certain type of consolidation where it goes up, down, up, down, up, down. Just think of it like your trap, right? You want to fight your way out. You get what I'm saying? So you don't know which direction you want to go. That's the same situation XRP is in right now. Was in, right? So it just did up, down movement, throw a nice little fake out, probably retest something in this area, which is a nice little, also a nice little broken support, right? Came back to a reject off, played around in this area one time, made the bullish engulfing, and just shot up, right? All right, so us as traders, we have to understand where we are in the market. So we see that we was on a downtrend. It respected our support. It started making what? Market structure, which is higher highs, higher lows, right? It built some type of support in different areas that we feel comfortable with marking, just due to the wicks, okay? And now, me personally, I see another area where it's starting to make that same type of support again. But this time I'm gonna draw it up under the body. Okay, I'm gonna draw it up under the body. Sometimes you can put it right up under the wick. By how I base my trades, I usually put my stop loss right on the outside of these, so it could be a nice little risk. I don't want to put my stop loss all the way down there, right? Eat you up, went right back up. Okay, knock me out nice and quick, so I can still participate in the move. All right, so once you understand that, you did what you needed to do on a daily. Okay, you work your way down. Let's go to the 4 hour and understand these moves and why it did what it did. All right, so you can see right here, price did a what? A nice little bullish flag. Okay, so you understand patterns. It did a nice bullish flash. We have a nice push, which is an impulse push. We have a flag, and now we have the actual same move again, but just a little more tiny corrections, okay? So as a sign to me, that'll let me know that it's a start of an uptrend, and now I can really trust this pair because it's starting to make bullish patterns, bullish different things that all fair around your confirmations, all right? So in this case right here, we have a strong consolidation area to where price was at for a couple of days. It finally broke out of there, came down to the downside, which would be tested this area. We call this more like a fake out. You can know it's a fake out. You just go to the line graph, and the line graph, you know, if it's not pointed, how it's pointed over here, and it just start coming, you know, that shows that it's a fake out, not a valid thing. okay? Consolidation, and now you have your new support right here. So let's go back to your candles, and you understand you have your support. All right, so you can adjust how you want to adjust. I keep it the same how I have it now. Right, so you go to the area where price is currently at now. Guess what it's doing? It's consolidating right off of the support area. So that's why I placed on my daily, I placed that bar right there. I saw the consolidation, but you understand if you go down to the smaller time frames, you'll see more consolidation. Okay, so you have consolidation, nice push to the downside that probably retested this wick area, right? And now buyers start taking control. All right, now we have our first set of push right here, but we still trapped in this area. Okay, that's, to me, that's a good thing because it's just making itself stronger. So when the next push happens, it goes boom. All right, but with crypto, anything can happen. It's not, you really don't have it settled the way you want it to be settled, like you can do on some pairs. So I feel more comfortable with putting a resistance line right on top of this wick area up here. All right, let's move it over. Cool. All right, nice little area here. That way, if price ever breaks here, close on top of this, or just break it, period, I know that where she's going to my daily trend line, okay? This is a strong area right here that it's respecting. So I'm starting to see a nice up, down, up, down, up, down movement to the top side. But it still just did its major impulse move, and now it's just consolidating, still in this area. So we really need XRP to break this 30 cent area, okay? So let's go down to the 1 hour and see what's going on down there, see if we can find any reason why. All right, so you can see in the last couple hours it made its boom, but look what happened, it started rejecting it again. Now we're still on a strong mini uptrend that's inside this consolidation area. All right, so if it breaks that, 9 times out of 10 it's going to come here again. If it breaks this, 9 times out of 10 it's going to come down here to make a triple bottom, right? Triple bottom indication that it's still in a buyer's market, so it'll go straight to the top again. All right, if it don't break here, gain momentum and continue to go up, close on top of the 2900 area, then boom, we have multiple room to do what we need to do. We have multiple room to take a beautiful, nice entry into the market. All right, so I do see it. I do see it going all the way up to touch this 30 area. And once it touches 30 area, I will reevaluate where we are and what it's doing then, and probably do an update video. But it's Sunday. Crypto usually slows down on Sunday a little bit. Saturdays, it always makes it move. Friday, it builds itself up and make that move, because basically all the traders are now in the crypto market trying to make some money. So all the Forex traders goes back to Forex Monday through Friday. Or if you like me, I traded all week, man. Money is money. We ain't tripping, right? So that's a quick breakdown of XRP to what expect. I'm waiting for it to break the 2900 area. Once it breaks the 2900 area, we should see a big move around the 30 cent area. Let's close on top or something like that to break my daily trend line. If it do not break my daily trend line, it's probably going to reject back off. What goes up must come down. What goes up must comes down, right? That's what I got for XRP USD, known as Ripple. So let's go to BTC USD. Strip it naked. Like I said, you can start off on a daily. There's no need to be all the way up there with these type of pairs. You can really see where it's heading at. So for the daily right now, me personally, let's find some areas where it broke. So you can see that majorly, that's a major break to the downside. Not major broke to, but a major break to the upside. So now it broke out of that strong area or that nice little downtrend that it had lined up perfectly. Okay, you can see that it did the same thing over here, but this time it went up instead of going down. All right, so that's all I need to see. I don't need to be putting no support and resistance lines. I just need to see what it's doing. All right, so my students know I call this a nice little 2-1. 2-1 is when you see a bullish, bearish, bullish, boom to the top side, right? All right, so we follow this by what? Another pattern. Same pattern that we saw in XRP that made it explode. So what type of pattern is this? This is a bullish flag, right? Price went up, consolidated going down, boom, straight up again, okay? Nice little 2-1 again. That helps you with extra confirmation. All right, so we have a nice flag to the top. All right. How you do the flags, you can just do it like that, or you can do it like this, right? And just wait for it to break. It gets skinnier on the way down, and boom. All right. Said did the same thing again, yo. Like, it's giving you money right now. This is too easy. This is too easy, yo. You just gotta do the work, and you'll see it. Know your stuff, know your patterns, and you'll eat all day, every day, right? I don't have to make sure it's accurate because I see the move, right? We broke a major downtrend daily, right? Came up, flag, impulse, flag, impulse again. So what you think BTC is about to do now? BTC is probably 9 times out of 10 is going to go up and do another flag like this, going down, right? Then boom to the top side again, right? It's the same thing as if I would have just boom, right? And boom. Simple as that. Let's keep it simple, right? There's no need to even go down to the high time frame. We see what we need to see off the daily. All right. So let's see what it's doing now on the 4-hour to understand the way it moves. Let's zoom out to the same areas. Look at that, y'all. Beautiful. Boom. Beautiful. Boom. What it's about to do the same damn thing again. If it do it again, you better put the tremendous lot on it again, right? These are continuation patterns letting you know that it's in a strong bullish trend, and we don't even have no sellers gaining no type of control, right? So there's no need to panic with this until it reaches back under 7,300 area, but I don't see BTC doing that. We just hit 10K again, right? BTC was all the way up at almost 30K a couple years ago, and now has made a strong downtrend stop to where now she's probably going to, I see, reach up to the 1,500 area. Quote me now, okay? So a couple months from now, how we're moving, shoot, a couple weeks from now, remember, I said that that nice little area, all right? Go, okay? So let's go down. We see on the 4-hour, it's setting up to do the same thing again, okay? Best ways to catch these are wait for it to continue doing what it needed to do. It's going to do corrections inside of a pattern. All right. Once you see it engulfing something that lets you know that it's ready to boom, entry here, or you can enter down here when it touches there. Stop loss will be right up under this area. Stop loss will be right up under this area. You can catch the buy here. You can catch the buy there. All right. Nice, easy risk areas. Okay. Same thing here. Once it finished, catch the buy here, catch the buy here, put your stop loss under here. Easy money. That way, if it goes the other way, it took you out nice and quick. There's no need to bleed in these trades no more. All right? There's no need to bleed at all. So let's go to the 1-hour and see what she's doing. Yep, she's starting to do this little ugly, whatever it do, it's probably going to do it all next week. Or it's probably going to do it for the next couple of days until it gets to a certain area where boom. All right, but I definitely will continue to look at this and keep a strong update on BTC. But right now, just chill out. The boom already happened. It's correcting itself. And once it presents itself again, we definitely would kill it. So I want to do a quick breakdown of BTC USD and a quick breakdown on XRP USD. And let's have a tremendous, beautiful week coming up in February. It's February 9th right now. So Let's make it happen, okay? Peace out.